Screen recording on.
Tutels ka pasa ako ng party league tutels. Ay, hindi pala pwede makapagpasa. Sige, mark mo na lang yung ano. Mark mo ako.
Palang yan ng crown yung color.
Okay. Then mark mo sarili mo ng ano, ng tawag dito, fighter shit. Sword.
Sword. Yun.
Okay. Food check.
Yun ako.
Balik sa food check muna. Food check everybody. Food check.
Let's go, donkey power.
Dito tayo sa ano, southeast. Dito ang check.
Tangin na naka-donkey lang ako.
Talisman.
Ayun sila.
Ayaw. Reload.
Or jammer.
Gagi.
Grabe bro.
Matibay yan, masakit.
Yeah, hold on my back. Oy, wait, I'm gonna engage. Wait. Hold. Ready on my engaging. 3, 2, 1, on me. Kite southwest. Full kite southwest. Nitang started. Full kite. Southwest. So, jacket now.
Ulul.
Southwest guys, southwest. Keep kiting.
Pahil ako.
Keep kiting. CD, keep kiting. Side, CD.
Ready. Perma ready.
Ready on me. Ready deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Top them.
Go, ganda.
Kite southwest.
Aray mo.
Southwest. Oy, ready, chase. Ready defensive. Okay, kite southwest. Full kite. Ditang.
Perma ready.
Ready inside in 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Patay na yung party.
Medyo pangat ng pag-kite natin. Pag sinabi kong kite, wala na dapat nag-i-stay sa position nila. Keep walking backwards, guys.
Ang pangit ng Q3.
Doon ka na muna sa comfortable mo.
Hindi ako sanay magpa-stack pag Q3.
Wait na sa BMR. Hold. Everybody hold.
Ingat kayo yung mga sword nila pumapasok sa backline natin.
Ayan. Wait. Ang gana scout.
Yung mga magdodrop akong Judy pagkatapos ng engage nila. Kung mga low HP pumasok dun sa Judy.
Wait. Come back. It's man on the back. Ready. Keep on my back. Ready. I'll fake. Okay, ready. Perma engage in 5, 4. Okay, look. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Come. Perma. Nice.
Burst them.
Skate southeast. Full kite southeast. Nitang. Hold them. Kite southeast. Jacket while walking. Jacket now. Stuck on the jacket. Ready.
Perma ready.
Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice. Okay.
Nice.
Keep rolling. Roll na. Keep rolling. Ready defense. Kill all fish.
Nice one.
Jacket if you have.
Uy, toothless. Wag mo nang tirahin niya.
Jacket if you have.
Sword out. Stop attacking. Sword.
Okay.
May diba?
Ang ganda ng engage mo doon. Magandang engage ng perma.
Nice perma. Kahit
Lagi
na-
pre, nakita mo yung kanina, yung nag-fake ka, pagtas ng fake mo, nag-engage ka agad sila.
Yun nga yung maganda. Okay guys, ang maganda sa ginawa natin, lahat nakikita ko nakasabay. Nice.
Sakto yung baba ng rootbound ko, natigil ko yung engage nila.
Hold the choke, ditang. Hold the stairs.
Pre, layo tayo sa base kaya nila.
Nasa si Zed. Okay, hold this. Bishop ka dito.
Lagi kang angat sa amin.
Okay. Kayo likod lang kayo. Yung mga RDPS.
Check nyo yung mid baka nasa mid sila.
Yeah. Wait. Mount up everybody. Mount up.
Wala sila dito, wala. Baka nasa mid, check natin mid.
Mount up.
Sa gitna daw.
Nadisi ako.
Wait,
Sino na DC? Sino na DC?
Come on my ping. Okay, dismount on my ping. Dismount on my ping. Ready.
Check, pasusit na lang.
Okay, ready deep in 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait. I'll fade. Ready perma. Wait. Come southwest nga. Southwest. Full southwest. Okay, ready inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
They're coming, they're here. Nandito na yung iba.
Come southwest. I'm
Tap lang sila din.
hold the choke.
Sila tap sila. Yung ano, yung
Toothless sabi, alisan.
Scout southwest. Full southwest, guys. Full southwest. CD.
Perma 3 sec.
Ready guard.
Ready on me. Ready deep in 3, 2, 1. Deep.
Dropping Judy, para sa low speed. Dropping Judy.
Wait, kite southwest. Kite northwest. Full kite. Come northwest. Full northwest. Muna na kayo.
5 seconds, duty.
Drop jacket if you have. Drop
Instant
jacket.
na duty, instant na duty.
DC ako?
Perma ready.
Kunin ko lang.
Ready. Wait. Defensive.
Got it.
Oy. Let's tayo sa. Oy, wait. We're gonna counter. Ready on me in 3.
Patay si Lucifer.
Wait. Tangin na, nagdalaga ako pre. My bad.
Wala na, pre.
Reset.
Hold.
Ito, okay lang.
Yee, huwag niyo palabasin tong Forge. Kapal mo, ha.
Walang mag-hold pag tayo lamang patayin nyo lahat.
Gagi, pinasok tayo ng Forge Hammer. Gagi, pre, pagpakyat sa stairs, paglampas nyo parang ganun sa kanina. Paglampas stairs, hiwalay kagad kayo. Naklab tayo, oh.
Yeah.
Sige, tara.
Wait.
Mount up. Gagi, paglamang tayo at inong ginawa sa atin, no? Nag-sur na tayo, pinatay pa din tayo.
Pwede ka mang haras
Sa mid sila, sa mid.
Try to bait their engage. Sman lang back. Good lang kayo.
Ito na ulit sila.
Wait. Kahit satis. Pull them. BMR, nahuli ka, BMR, healer ka.
Sorry.
Hold this.
They're coming, Forge Hammer. Nandito na yung Forge Hammer nila.
Wait.
Gagi, sino yung naka-Mystic Owl? Mag-dismount nga.
Wait. Come. Yan nyo. Alam niyo gagawin.
Naka-cancel yung R ko.
Come, walk southwest. Kaya lang over the wall to. Pagod kaya ng low.
Carbing, overextend ka na, Carbing.
Wait. Wait, ka na engage. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. On me. Kite southwest. Full kite.
Nice one.
Kite southwest.
Ang DDC talaga ako.
Full kite.
Yun na yun, paklab.
Kite southwest.
Pahil si Sed. Healers pahil si Sed.
Okay, makakabot yan. Kite southwest. Wala tayong jacket. Wala siya, ano yung RB.
Bibigay yung ano.
DC.
Perma ready.
Okay,
Gago,
ready on
ayun
me.
na.
Deep in 3, 2, 1. On me. Grabe, hindi na nakikita. Northwest. Full northwest.
Ako na lang kaya ako maglaro.
Ay, northwest. Wait. Northwest. Ready.
Ready,
Wala
CP.
pa. 13 pa. Vlog ka
Come inside, Kite southwest.
Pasok kayong camp.
Perma ready.
Ready on me. 3. Takin ang lag. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Big clap, boy! Patayin si Grammans.
Chase. Walang mag-reset.
Chase them.
Chase. Pull chase.
Gago kayo, ha.
Pull chase. Okay, ready. Engage on me in 3, 2,
Engage mo na, pre.
On me.
Nice one, ubos.
Wipe.
Tangin na, ganda ng Judy.
Gagi,
Magaling
maganda
kasi
yung
ako,
ginagawa
pre.
natin, pre. Maganda.
Naglalag talaga ako. Grabe yung FPS drop ko.
Gagi, doon tayo sa gitna, pre. Doon tayo sa gitna.
May ang team lag.
Gano'n ka.
Kaya
Gaganda yung kanina, pre. Lahat nakuha. Kuha lahat. At least nakakabawi pa tayo. Ang ganda yung pre.
Gumagamit
Ganda.
na or ko.
Wait, dito sila. Come.
Wag niyong kalimutan, magigapot din kayo pag naigadyan kayo, ha. Kasi hindi kayo mapupuliligtas ng
Pings, man on my
ng
pings.
weapon ko. Ito na sila. Kita ko na si Torpin.
Ellie, you can start, bro.
Shit.
Wait. Okay, ready. Ready on me.
Kinakite tayo.
Wait. Ayan na. Pumasok. Sino yung pumasok? Okay, ready inside. Wait. Ready deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kite northwest. Kite southwest. Full southwest.
Dito na Judy.
Defensive. Full southwest.
Dropping.
Southwest.
Dropping Judy.
Perma ready.
Ready inside. 5, 4, 3. Wait. Kite south.
Punish yung Forge Hammer. I-punish nyo.
Wait lang. Kite south muna. Try to yun. Gagong sakit na itong for jammer. Wait. Reset nga tayo. Reset.
Takbo. Hindi titigil yan. Takbo lang.
Wait lang. Mag-close down ng tabs. Mag-try ko i-reduce yung FPS drop.
Patay si Sed. Healers.
Ikaw sa likod. Dito sa likod. Baka ma-engage at tayo.
Huwag kayo dyan.
Gago.
Baka bigla niya kaya...
Paano nakaka-cancel yung arrow mo? Yung ano?
Gagi, pre. Ang mali natin, pinapasok natin yung brawlers nila sa backline natin, pre.
Nag-i-stay pa tayo pag nag-engage.
Oo.
Dapat di kayo nag-i-stay. Clap kayo tayo guys, clap kayo tayo.
Kahit hindi ako kahit hindi ako mag-call, dapat nasa utak nyo na pagka-drop natin ng E, ikot na kayo. Ano na kayo?
Pag engage natin, alis na.
Ilang talaga. Huwag nang ibang...
Yun lang. Wait lang, hintayin na si Maru.
Ito, pwede tayo over the wall.
Ready on the perma. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Wala.
Kita nila. Alat. Kita nila.
Ayun.
Pre, si Maru, ha. Wait natin si Maru. Sandali lang.
Dito na ako.
Wala.
Saka na.
Nandito ka ba?
Andito ako.
In party
Eh,
instant.
teka, wala ako sa party.
Invite
Wala.
niya siya.
Ano sila
They looking.
Nag-easy
Hold.
na natin.
Zed, hold the choke.
Yung mga join.
Hindi, pabema na.
Okay, wait. Hold.
Mag-split sila.
Inch back. Bigyan nyo ng dawan yung front line. Okay, ready, shallow in 3. Wait.
They're looking sila.
Ready, defensive. Ready, shallow in 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay,
Hindi kayo makakabawi. Pre, brawlers nila, pre. Napasukan na tayo sa backline. Dropping Judy.
Kite, southwest. Go inside. My mistake dyan.
Pasok sa kampo.
CD.
Turad ako na bahala. Dito ako.
Kahit na Forge up. Ano?
Wala pa rin, hindi na makabalik kay Maru. Ano ba yun?
Gagi, pre. Yung brawlers nila, pinapasukan tayo sa backline. Iniuna yung backline natin.
Kailangan natin.
Naubusan.
Forge.
Kailangan natin siguro patayin yung brawlers nila pag pumasok sa backline. Inuuna nila si Toothless eh.
Eh, kahit huwag na nun. Basta gawin mo lang sushi clap ka lang. Tapos out na agad. Kaya naman mag-out agad eh.
Try to go. Kaya we chase. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Gago, biglaan. Naka-defensive sila.
Full kite.
Kite.
Skate southeast na. Kite southeast.
Kite.
Kite southeast. Kite. Nice hold. Southwest. Come
Shit, ubos charge ko.
Come southwest.
Hindi pa ma-ready.
Punish nyo, punish nyo.
Perma-ready.
Come inside. Okay, ready. Ready on me. 5, 4, 3. Wait. Inang lag. Wait. 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, nice.
Nice one, nice one.
Dropping Judy.
Wait.
Kill muna sa Judy, stabilize.
Yeah. Stabilize na G. Wait.
Sige.
Wait. Ready.
Di perma-ready.
Ready.
Okay, ready deep in 5, 4,
Clumping tayo ha. Clumping tayo.
2, 1. On me boys, on me. Okay, guide, full guide.
Nice.
Wait, hold. Wait, guide. Kill this.
Punish nyo.
I will hold them.
Judy, dapat Judy.
Nice.
Patay yung season mo ha, healer yan ha.
Sige.
3 sec. Ready. Perma-ready.
Ayun na, run over to.
2, 1. On me, boys. Fuck na G. Ready pala ba? Okay, wait.
Pwede may heal dyan ano.
Wait.
Run over nyo, kaya na.
Wala na ako perma.
Wait, longbow and carving. May CD kayo?
Meron.
Okay, ready on me. Deep. Come deep in 3. Wait.
Wait lang.
3,
Apa.
2. Wait. 1. On me.
Nice. Napobrol tayo sa likod ha, Tuchi.
Okay.
Ellie, pahil si Ellie.
CD.
Dropping Judy.
Hit out sa
Gago.
full guy. We're gonna counter inside you. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Wala akong mana.
Full kite southwest. Full kite. Guys, kite.
Out na. Wala na akong mana.
Out na, pre?
Di ba kumain-invite sa party?
Di na
Hindi na.
Hindi ko makita yung bro.
Nasa party ka pero wala ka dito sa instant.
Dito pa si Maro, pre. Try mo nga mag-jacket ka. Wait. Try to jacket.
Kaya yan. Kaya timing ng jacket kahit hindi sa party.
Nice. Pero nakapag-drop siya.
Sige, subukan nyo i-hold.
Ano? Kaya nito. Maro, pagka-drop mo pagka-drop natin ng E, use ka agad ng jacket. Harapin mo si Tootles, yung ano.
Okay.
Siya ang mo, bigam ng jacket. Wait.
Ito na sila.
Hold the choke, D-tap.
Get ready. Brawlers nila, naghahanap ng opening papasok.
We're gonna punish the brawlers. Wait. Ready inside. Wait. We're ready deep in 3, 2, 1. Kite, full kite. Southwest. Come southwest.
Dropping Judy. Dito na Judy.
Southwest. Nakapag-jacket ka na. Jacket. Spread. Southwest. Come southwest, guys. Southwest.
Perma-ready.
Ready?
Yung mga tao.
Ready carving.
Wait. Come southwest nga, southwest. Come southwest, guys. Southwest. Mahin kayo, southwest. Southwest. Pahil nga on the party. Ready on all fish in 3, 2, 1. All fish.
DPS?
Pre, running over nila tayo.
Southwest.
Okay, patay si Old Fish kung
Southwest,
shit.
guys. Southwest.
Main healer dead.
Okay, run. Try to run, sir. Wait. I'm gonna hold full run.
Run na, pre.
Takbo sa kampo.
Come. Pahil. Reset your CDs.
Perma-ready.
Ay no, apakan yung kulay green na paddle. Kill din yan. Ready come.
Atake nyo. Southwest. Come northwest.
Oh, kill nyo si Sed.
Wait, nasa Z. Ang nalimatan ni Z.
Mamatay na si Sed eh.
Okay, wait. Dita hold. Hold them, dita. Let's try to pull them on the choke. Come northwest.
Hammer nila, papasok na, naghahanap ng opening. Ready na sila mag-engage.
Yeah. May defensives ba kayo?
Meron.
Masyado silang dito.
Ba't ka nag-ano, Genshin? What the fuck?
Uy, don't trap random me, guys. Huwag ka din mag-random random rogue.
Boss.
Wala na akong transformation ha. Ayun na.
Nag-shield ka na ako. Nag-dodge ko.
Wait, we gotta counter. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait.
Shit, wala.
Perma engage. Ready on the perma in 3. Wait. Ready on 3, 2, 1. Perma. Full guy.
Kita.
Try to go inside the base. Side go inside. Come inside. We're gonna reset. Come inside. Wait.
Kami sa the base. Ay, patay.
Na kayo.
Wipe out tayo.
Shit. Mahirap. Puro sila. Tayo makapag shallow. At pala nag-ano ako. Golem ako.
Tawag.
Ang gawin mo lang, Sushi, pagka-pwesto natin, huwag ka na mag-hold ng clap mo agad kahit isa lang.
Sige.
Tapos kahit
Okay.
Pre, subukan natin. Unahin natin yung perma mag-engage. Kasi ini-expecto nila lagi ikaw eh. Subukan natin ibahin.
Ready on the
TV?
perma.
Ako man yung TV.
I'm gonna mark the
Yung permang main engage natin mo. I-main engage natin perma, pre.
sabihin mo lang location, Sushi.
Kasi pag nakita kanila Sushi sa front line, nag-ano na silang defensive eh.
Takinas nang dala.
At mag-potion kayo pag na-engage kayo.
Come guys, come on my pig, Span on my back. Wait. Hatakin natin dito sa gitna. Come guys, southwest. Come southwest. Lahat southwest.
Sundan. Southwest.
Southwest. Okay, ready on the perma. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the perma. Drop. Nice. Guys, southwest.
Tayo.
Full guys.
Mamatay ako. Mamatay ako dito.
Try to hit. CD.
5 sec.
Ready carving.
Ready on me. Ready.
3,
3,
ready.
2, wait, 3, 2, 1. Tangko na. On me. Grabe yung silence sila. Kill door.
Nice. Wait tayo.
Kahit saan.
Full
Giga.
southwest. I'm gonna hold him. Southwest.
8 seconds para sa Judy ko.
Ingat.
Dropping Judy. Stabilize. Dropping Judy. Stabilize kayo sa Judy.
Ikaw ba ko?
Ready perma.
Huwag mo na mag-grow. Okay, ready shallow. Wait.
Kaya ko i-perma yan, Sushi.
Okay, ready on perma in 3, 2, 1. On the perma. Kahit. Full kite, guys.
Perma.
Southwest. Itak, hold down ng choke. Hold down ng choke. Hold.
Perma ready.
Okay, ready on all fish in 3, 2, 1. All fish. Try to punish fish. Punish. Wait, kahit northwest. May nahuli ba dyan? Si Zed.
Si Zed lang. Ba't binubugbog si Zed oh?
Northwest, guys. Northwest. Pasidi muna tayo.
Ano si Zed?
CD muna.
Healer ng mana, pre.
Kailangan ko ng mana, pre.
Come northwest.
Mana problem.
Come northwest. Pull them on the choke. Come northwest.
Ayun na, sumusunod sila ah.
Yeah. No. Come northwest.
Ups, nagpop na sila. Looking.
Very defensive. Wait, gana engage in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys.
Dropping Judy, stabilize. Paki-stabilize si Zed.
Northwest. Full kite.
Dropping Judy. Listen to Judy. Pass mo sa Judy.
Ayun na, no interruption.
Listen na Judy. Drop jacket agad, drop jacket.
Muna hintayin nyo yung call, Maru. Drop mo agad, pre.
Drop mo agad. Wait, ready.
Forma ready.
Ready on me in 3, 2, 1, on me. Taki na may naka-guard yun, nerd.
Gago!
Dead.
Full kite. Go back to the base, pull back. We're gonna reset, pull back.
Wala na, timer.
Sobrang nerd ng